Hey, this is Rob, and welcome to another episode of My Tin Lizzie. So this is just a quick status video to show you kind of what's been going on behind the scenes. Since I haven't posted a video in a while, it's time to get this machine rolling. But first, let's do this. Okay, now with our intro out of the way, so let's just talk about where we're at and where we're at. So for those of you who follow the channel, you know that I'm in Michigan, and Michigan weather has just been ungodly brutal this year. And even though the temporary enclosure here is heated, it's just been a pain in the butt to get out here. So I've been trying to focus on other things, but unfortunately, be that what it may, you know, projects do get stalled, and partially because of the weather. But, so here's what I've been doing in the interim. What I've been doing is making sure that when I'm ready to do this, that I have parts. Thank goodness to Langs and Schneiders. I've got new spark plug wires. New wiring assembly to go from the timer up to the coil box. I got, since I don't know about these spark plugs, I bought these spark plug adapters so we can use regular spark plugs instead of Model T spark plugs. I have some other Model T spark plugs, but who knows if we can trust them. Another big thing we can do, which I knew that would help me in the future, is PB Blaster. In this case, it's a knockoff. It's Knocker Looser Penetrant, which is a penetrating oil. What I've been doing is looking at spraying down all the different things that I know I'm getting ready to tackle. I'll bring the camera here in a minute and show you what we got going on. But I've been going around and hitting all the nuts and all that, all the bolts, and trying to make sure that everything's broken free, so as I get to it, it makes it that much easier and I don't have to get the torches out. So let me go ahead and I'll get the camera and I'll show you some different things that I've been breaking free. Alright, so this is me just holding the camera, so let's get on in here and take a look at some stuff. Making sure everything's nice and clean. Coming on down in here, commutator, timer, whatever you want to call it, you know, 10 different things going on is this guy right here. I've got an upcoming video that I'm going to show you about doing fan belts. We've been breaking this free. We'll talk about that later. Different bolt heads. I just been looking around for the radiator. Down here on the wheels. Now, Liz T's wheels here are going to need some work. So what I've been doing is spraying these guys up, okay, and come around. Oh, let me show you right here. So she's got a bumper, but I'm going to take that off. And to access the bumper, take it off. Let me get in here. There's a couple of bolts down in here that we got to get to. This guy, and look at that in there. That looks like a new washer from the guy I got this from. So who knows what was going on there. Let's come on around. Yep, I took off the radiator shroud. Come around, more wheel stuff I've been working on. Look at this. We're gonna have an upcoming episode on actually cleaning and disassembling this to see if we can bring this old carburetor back to life. Now I've been spraying the heck out of it, and it's actually breaking free, which is good to see. But we're still gonna drop her in a cleaner and talk about that after. Here, let's hit her while we're here. Water pump, we got an upcoming episode on this. I've already ordered new radiator hoses and all that. They're inside the house. So let's keep going. Come around. The wheels, the wonderful wheels. So got to break these free. I got one over there, but I think that one's, it might be bent. I don't know. I do have some tires, some other tires. I don't think a damn one of them match anything, but I have them. And what we'll do is we'll probably put them on. This feels like it maybe has air in it, I don't know. But I've been breaking this one free. We just need to put some wheels on here, so once we get her running, we'll be able to test her out. More coils, which you're going to see in more of an upcoming episode of the coil box drama. So here we go, and we're right back around here. I just bought some new grease caps. Well, not new, but used. So those will be coming in shortly. So we actually have a lot going on. Hang on one sec. All right, well, there you go. There you have it. I told you I wasn't going to go in too deep in this video, but I wanted to make this a check-in video before our upcoming videos. Kind of re-warm you guys up that this project did not get stopped at all. I've just been busy ordering parts and just doing odds and end things. A little noisy from the wind, but just doing odds and end things that will help get the car going. Remember, our primary goal is to get her started here shortly. We got a lot of upcoming videos and episodes to talk about this. And I hope you enjoy this, and I hope you follow along. If you haven't gone back, go back and check out the earlier ones where we get it, we take a tour, all this, so you can see where we're at. Take care, and I'll see you in an upcoming video.